Welcome to 1308 Stonewall right here in Fallston. This is a truly remarkable, fully custom renovation, everything done in 2018, brand new roof in 2012, public sewer coming to this house in 2022, brand new public sewer. Welcome to a custom built, beautiful home here in Fallston. One of the many things you'll notice here at 1308 Stonewall is the attention to detail. Everything is meticulous. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. True board and batten. This isn't drywall behind this, all custom wood, totally decorated, central sound, beautiful light fixtures, custom built-ins in every single room, formal living room, beautiful dining room, amazing light fixtures, but this kitchen is absolutely to die for. All white cabinets, beautiful soapstone countertops, monogram everything. You have a burner here, 6-burner, plus an exhaust fan that'll suck a human up through. It's super powerful. 2 islands, a beautiful barn door pantry system that opens up, tons of storage. Notice the fridge is all white, farm sink, overlooking the backyard. You're not gonna believe the amount of money these homeowners put into the backyard, but you can probably tell from the kitchen. This whole first floor, wide open floor plan that flows right into a beautiful living room that goes out to your amazing exterior living area. Welcome to the rear grounds. You have a beautiful stone walkway that comes off your oversized driveway, 2-car garage. Everything you're seeing out here was done in 2022 and 2023. Stone patio, outdoor kitchen, beautiful pavilion, all custom milled woodwork, and it is just enormous. Right off your family room, steps come down, LED lighting. Check out the pictures at twilight. Fenced in backyard. Again, we have public sewer now to this lot. Awesome amount of living space, big front yard, big backyard. And this patio just flows right around. You have a fireplace here, maintenance free. If you're into exceptional craftsmanship, over 2,700 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath on a beautiful lot in Fallston, where you will have a chef's kitchen, maintenance-free living, twin islands, soapstone countertops, everything is done top of the line. You're not gonna find a speck of drywall out of place here. Again, this homeowner put over $400K into this home, and boy does it show. If you'd like to see this home, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and we'd love to show you more inside of 1308 Stonewall.